Hello and welcome back to Learn with Lou. Today we've got a tutorial on Affinity Designer, so let's go ahead and get on with it. So today I'm going to teach you how to curve your text on Affinity Designer. So there are a couple of ways to do it, so we'll start with the most simple. You'll need to do is click on the ellipse tool and make an ellipse. Now if you want to keep the ellipse, then you're going to have to copy and duplicate it. If you just want it to curve the text, then just keep it as it is. What you want to do is grab the text tool and click on the ellipse. Now as you can see, this button will come up and then resize it. So now it's going on the curve. So let's just type learn with Lou. And as you can see, the text has curved just like that. Now you've got these buttons here, the green and the red one, and this is basically to move it round your ellipse to where you want it to go. So as you can see, there's a red marker here to put it round, so I can put it all the way at the bottom here, learn with Lou in the bubble, and just like that we have a lovely curved piece of text. Now I'll move that out of the way. So that is one option, use the ellipse tool, really simple, lovely curve. The other option is that you actually draw with the brush tool a line. So let's draw a lovely little curve like so. Now obviously it's not going to be quite as good as the ellipse curve, but if you have a special project and you're good at drawing curves, it might be better if you draw it yourself. Again, this will disappear, so if you want it, then obviously duplicate the layer. So what we do then is, again, text, click on the thing where you get the T, and again we've got the curve and this one specifically, so I'm just going to move this back to fit. I think that looks nice. And there you go. There's two options for how you curve text on Affinity Designer. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you did enjoy this video or found this video at all helpful, make sure you smash that like button and share it on social media. Tell me in the comment section below what other tutorials you need on any software, and I'll try and help you out as soon as possible. If you're new to the channel, wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button, that'd be awesome, as we're making some tutorials and hopefully they're useful for you guys so you can get working quicker. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.